Hi everybody, welcome back. I am working on a page in my scavenger hunt journal, and one of the prompts was paint skins. So I have just 3 different acrylic paint skins here. If you don't know what a paint skin is, you just put some thick acrylic paint down on a non-porous surface like glass or plastic, wait for it to dry and peel it off, and you have a paint skin. Another one of the prompts is a ruler, but I have this washi tape that has ruler markings on it. I think they're ruler markings. Well, they're numbers. Well, we're calling it a ruler. I'm cheating. But what I'm going to do is create a little grid with the washi tape. Let's go 3 lines. It's convenient that the page has lines on it. I can kind of get these fairly even. This is a Tim Holtz washi tape. It sticks really good. I really like it a lot. Okay. So there's my ruler. Sorry, Janet, I cheated. I might do something later again with an actual ruler marking of some sort, but for right now that's my ruler. And then another prompt was a page of swatches. So I just pulled out a whole bunch of paint, and I'm just going to go through and make swatches, and I'll speed this up. And one more quick page. I'm going to start with tissue paper and just put that down across both of my pages using matte medium. I'm going to dry this and trim it off. Okay, another prompt is an upside down page, and a third is 4-letter words. So I just have a page of 4-letter words, and I'm going to turn them upside down, and I'm going to put it right in the middle of this spread. So I've creased it so that I can get it right down in the gutter. So my book will still open, and we'll put that down. And my other prompt was a mermaid, so I found this one online. I kind of sort of fussy cutted her out. Not great, but I'm going to color her, but I'm going to get her glued down first. going to use a stencil and this handmade modern paint from Target in Robin's Egg. And I'm just going to stencil some circles. Some just take some out on my mat here. Okay, I'm going to color the mermaid. I'm just going to use my Neocolor 2s. I just have the small set of 15 colors, but we can intermix them if we want to. And I'm just going to put some down on my mat. Can sort of see that, I guess. And grab a brush and activate it. Pick it up on my brush. Now, could I color her with that crayon? Yes, but I find that marks have a tendency to stay where I don't want them when I do that. I like to pick it up this way. Okay, this page is done. I colored her with the Neocolor 2s and put her spirit was her guide there for an inspirational quote, and then used flower petals and another piece of tissue paper for the center. So I've got tissue paper, inspirational quote, flower petals, a mermaid, 4-letter words, and an upside down page. So that's 7, I guess. So I'm getting there. Let's check those off. We have mermaid, check. Wow, almost done with that column. A book and an ATC on there. Then inspirational quote. Upside down page. Well, I'm checking off finger painting because when I did the pages swatches, I used my finger. So, got that one too. 4-letter words. Where's my upside down page? Oh, I already did that. Okay. I think that's it. Flower petals. I missed that, I think. Well, I'm not finding it. Well, I'll find it and check it off. It's somewhere. I know it is. So I'm getting close to the end. This has been fun, just finding stuff. Thank God for the internet though, because not everything is right here. So we got that one and this one. And then you've seen, okay. Anyway, you've seen all these already, but we're getting there. That's still one of my favorites. And this one. Okay, hope you enjoyed watching the Scavenger Hunt Journal Pages. I'll see you again. Until next time, go make some art. Bye.